Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, I am going to answer whether it is mandatory for all NEET aspirants to apply for All India Quota Counselling for MBBS BDS admission. If you are looking for MBBS or PG or super specialty admission, install MBBS Council Android app. It contains everything you need to know to participate in counselling and pick the best medical college for your NEET rank. Installation link for the app is given in the description below. There are two ways to get MBBS admission in government medical colleges. MBBS seats in state government-run medical colleges are divided into All India quota and state quota. 15% of the seats are allotted through All India quota, for which students from any Indian state are eligible to participate. Remaining 85% seats are allotted through state quota, for which students who are native to the state where the college is located are eligible to participate. Let's say you are looking for Indira Gandhi Medical College, Nagpur. It has 200 MBBS seats. 15% seats, that is 30 seats, will be allotted through All India quota. 85% seats, that is 170 MBBS seats, will be allotted through Maharashtra State Counselling. Last year, All India quota cutoff was All India rank 9165. For Maharashtra State quota, the cutoff rank was 19,218. Let's say if your All India rank is 14,000, then you have chance to get Government Medical College Chandrapur or Nandurbar, which were started recently, but not Indira Gandhi Medical College in Nagpur. But through Maharashtra State quota, you would get Indira Gandhi Medical College Nagpur. It is up to the student to decide which counselling he or she wants to participate. To participate in state counselling, there is no need to register for All India counselling conducted by Medical Counselling Committee. For highly competitive states such as Delhi, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Kerala, where state cutoff is higher than the All India quota cutoff, it is advisable to apply for both counselling to increase the chances to get a government medical college. For rest of the state students, they can only apply through state counselling if their All India rank is greater than 10,000, because they will get better college through state quota compared to All India quota. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you have any doubts related to MBBS admission counselling, you can ask below in the comment section. See you in the next video.